Hey guys, Keith, Gage's Garage. I'm gonna be working on the old club car. You'll see a while back, I did a video and I changed out the batteries to these two lithium ion batteries. Wow, a lot of junk in here. And, took out the, how many were here? 6 batteries, 6 8-volt batteries. This is a 48-volt system, and put these two in there. And it's been running really good. And I'm happy with the conversion. All it is pretty much 2 batteries and charger. And I just rigged it up just to get it going. Today, what I'm gonna do is, you can see here's the, what does this say, 89%. This is the monitor for the batteries. And I want to put it somewhere where you can see it. You can't see it there. Somewhere over here. Maybe I'll cut a hole here, put it there. This is a voltage. So the 48-volt system, it's pretty much always 48 volts. This thing ran down to like 10%, and it still was in like 47, 48 voltage. So I think with the lithium ion, you don't lose voltage, it just dies and then you're done. I don't know. I haven't let it die all the way down, so I don't really want to. But I want to mount that thing, get that out from underneath there, and I don't know what happened. Something happens, the 12-volt stuff doesn't work. So I don't know what deals with that. You have the horn under here, it doesn't work, and the headlights don't work. So I don't know. I mean, I did disconnect. I left one wire disconnected, I think, somewhere. I started taking this off. This is the old charger. Oh yeah, this wire here. So maybe this is does a 12 volt. I don't know. I think what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll hook it up there just temporarily and see if the 12 volt works. If that's the case, then I know I have to hook it back up. What I'm also gonna do is this big charger back here. I'm gonna take that big charger out, this thing, and this is broke, which is nice and convenient. You pull it out and it's supposed to retract. The retracting part is not working, and it's quite unique because this end has a plug on it, a male plug, and this has a female coming out. So you can just take your charger and plug it right in here, and then like that. You take this, we go here. This is the charger. This is the charging the old batteries. This has come out. Just get rid of. I don't need that extra weight. And this is the new charger. Plugs into here, and then I have it plugged into the reel. And then you take the reel, plug it into the wall. Yeah. So it's special. I thought I'd get it like a drop light and just do that. All the drop lights on this side have like three prongs coming out. So, and yeah, and then also this side on the drop light has a male connection, because what you're supposed to do is take this part, plug it into your outlet, and then over there has the same female part. So drop light doesn't really work. One of those things right there, if you buy it from Club Car, I think it was about $300. I'm not doing that. I might try to convert a drop light to see if I can fit it in there and make that work. I'm not sure. But the other thing I was going to do is take this out. This is the original connector to charge it. I've never used it. I bought, let's get the seat out of the way. I bought this thing. It's like a plug. So you have your male end, and then you take an extension cord, have the extension cord in the wall, and then plug it in here, and that'll charge. So this will be in there, and then this plugs into the part of the charger, which is plugged right now over there. The male part would go into here, This goes in there. You get your extension cord, plug it in there. So that's my plan. Take that out. Just got to figure out the wiring. Yeah, because actually there's no wiring on this. I just put this in. It just does the plug. This guy here has all kinds of wiring on it. Positive, negative, some other stuff. I don't know what all this stuff does. It has taillights too. So the taillights aren't working either, I don't think. Right? Yeah. It's got taillights, those don't work either. And if I want to do the drop light conversion, I have these, which are just connectors. I can just put on the extension cord, do whatever I gotta do, cut the drop cord, whatever side I need, I put on the drop cord. So anyway, that's the plan for today. First thing, let's mount that, because I know that works. I have to run the wire underneath up into here. That's gonna be a chore. And then also want to check the 12 volt before I go any further, actually. So let's check 12 volt and see what happens. All right. All right, I got the gauge installed right there. It's at 89%. Let me just show you real quick. Here, wrap this around here, went through the existing wire loom, cut some zip ties, put some new ones. A lot of the zip ties and tape was just coming right off. It goes underneath the cart there, comes up the front and into here. This hole I cut it too big, so I took electric tape, wrapped it around the gauge, and then stuck it in there. It's not going anywhere now. It's stuck in there nicely. And there's just two screws that hold this in. I have to find them. One there, one on the other side, and that just holds that piece in. So that's pretty good. I left enough room that if I get something else, I can put it here. I don't know what I would put there ever, but there's a spot. And I left the voltage gauge in. Might as well. I don't know. As far as the 12 volt, I hooked this wire up. I don't have 12 volt anywhere, and I know somewhere on here, because this was a 12 volt cart, so there must be a converter. I think there was 8 volt batteries. I don't know how you get 12 volts out of 8. Anyway, I'm sure some part. I mean, there's a box here. There's this box. I found another box underneath the floor there. I think something's a conversion. I have to look it up. But that's what am I trying to say here? I don't have to worry about that right now, because I started looking at, like, well, let me see why the horn doesn't work. And so your horn button's here, and there it is right here. The part, it's broke. This here is for the horn, right there. So that broke off. So I need to get a new horn button. I started looking at the headlights. I'm like, well, let me check the headlights. So coming right off the headlight, you have this blue and white wire. So here's the blue wire, comes here, goes nowhere. White wire goes here to white. I don't know what these two wires are for. So I need to do a lot of investigation. There's these wires up here. I don't find, there's no loose wire anywhere. I can't check this other headlight because obviously there is no headlight there. So that's gonna have to be on the back burner, getting the 12 volt stuff working. Gotta order some stuff. I don't even know where the horn is. The actual horn. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's in there. Anyway, this golf cart's been pretty abused, beat up. So I think I'm going to move on to the next thing, which is getting that out. And getting that out. I'll be right back when this stuff's gone. I'm just gonna undo this, push it through. I don't know, maybe I'll hook it back up and just lay it in here. I'm not sure if I need it yet. That's gonna come into wiring troubleshooting when I try to get all the 12-volt stuff working. And that's it for now. Let me get some more work done and I'll show you where I'm at. Alright, here's the charger I got out. I mean, this thing's got to weigh about 15 pounds, 10, 20 pounds. I didn't even know it had stuff on it. It tells you 15 amp, what is that? Don't know what this does. Intelligent charger. The only way it mounted was there was just 4 bolts, 3, 4, and that's how it mounted. And there's a plate I'll show you in a second. Put this back over here. Oh, there's a plate underneath the there's a plate underneath the dump bed. Let me show you over here. Right there. That's where it's mounted. You have these holes right here. Just 4 bolts. Undo it, thing comes out. And you gotta obviously undo the wires. So that is done. I also, I was just gonna, I gotta zip tie that. I unplugged it from here, so now this coil thing's not working. I plugged this in right here. So now when I want to charge it, take my extension cord, plug it in there. I don't know, I guess upside down. I don't know if this should have been the other way. It would have opened the button. Nah, I think we're fine. And I just tied it up. I just zip tied some stuff around here and it's ready to go. It's getting lighter and lighter. I'll tell you. If this works out, the thing I like about this is I can just take that, well, when the reel works, I can just take the reel and just plug it into any outlet. Now, if I'm charging with this, I need to have an extension cord. So, I mean, to tell you the truth, I use an extension cord anyway, all the time, because that thing doesn't reel back in. But if it reeled in, I would probably use that. It's easy, I can switch it back. I mean, I just take that and hook it onto whatever I have over here. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna do another video on all this electrical stuff, headlights, horn, whatever else. Maybe I'll put like a oh, maybe I'll take this out and put a USB charger there. I thought anyway, I might do that, do a 12-volt USB charger when I get the 12-volt working. But I'm thinking I might have to do a lot of rewiring to get that to work. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, hit the like. Hopefully learn something about these golf carts. This is what I do. Work on stuff around the house. If it has wheels, definitely working on it. Work on stuff in the house, Christmas lights, whatever. Anything that's going on. Anything I can put my hands on and fix, modify, whatever. That's what I do on this channel. Alrighty, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you later. See ya.